So this is the first method we're going to try. We're just going to go up about 8 inches or so and see how this turns out. This is actually a polishing compound that was developed here in Central Oregon, so it is specifically made for the types of minerals that we get from our hard water in Bend and our surrounding communities. Alright, so you can see here, it looks like the polishing compound, and I don't know if we can get it close up on the camera if we get a little closer in here. After a few, about a dozen passes, we were able to cut through, so you can actually see this edge here. I don't know if it comes up in the video where we did get through the hard water and down to bare glass. So that is one option we can go with. That's done. And then here we have a pad that's saturated with an acid compound. It sometimes works in Central Oregon. What we find is it dissolves half the minerals and leaves the other half. I know there's a lot of companies in town that like to use this. It's just with mixed results. And it is a volatile chemical, so we do have to be extremely careful with it. And we've already wet down the area around and neutralized the acid, or to dilute the acid as it comes off the glass. So now we're just going to finish this out by diluting it again and seeing if it worked. So you can see here, results were a lot quicker, and it does look like we did get through. I can see a line right about here where the minerals are above, and over here definitely. So that is an option, going the acid route. It's not our favorite for two reasons. One, it's a dangerous chemical, has the potential to cause our technicians harm when using it. It's not the best for the environment. We dilute it to the point where it's not going to do a whole lot of harm, but it's just one more thing we're adding that doesn't need to be in the environment. And also, this acid, while it does eat through the minerals, it does also do a tiny bit of damage to the glass. So it looks good, but now the glass surface is rougher and it's going to be more prone to staining and taking on water spots later. So for the long-term health of the glass, it's actually detrimental to it. So it's a quick fix. It is cheaper to do. You'll see that in the pricing reflected below. But there are several reasons why we don't like to do it, but we do offer it as an option if that's what you ultimately want to go for.